Hello, my name is Wayne Weineck from BPA. Today I'd like to talk to you about our CEMflex, that is an active steel blade water stop, and compare it with PVC water stops. Now, PVC water stops have been on the market for many years, but they do have their disadvantages. PVC water stops need to be installed by skilled personnel on site, knowing exactly what they need to do, because you can make mistakes quite easily if not correctly welded, not heated enough, or if you miss an area so that you have a gap afterwards where you could eventually have a leakage into your construction. CEMflex, though, is far easier. Almost anybody can install CEMflex. Now, when you compare the two different systems, the PVC water stop, for example, when installing it in the concrete slab, you need to cut the reinforcement accordingly so that you can install the PVC exactly in the middle of your construction joint. Alternatively, you could go along and you can install it with a kicker. Of course, by using a kicker, that is of course far more work to put it into position, and you need, again, more time to install it. The alternative could also be using an external PVC water stop, but still again, you would need a kicker. When you compare that with our CEMflex, for example, CEMflex is installed on your reinforcement. The concrete coverage is 3 centimeters. Afterwards, when the concrete is poured in the wall area, you will have 12 centimeters in your wall area. This has been tested up to 8 bars of water pressure, which is 80 meters of water. So, in your slab with 3 centimeter minimum concrete coverage, if water does get into this construction joint, it goes and comes in contact with our CEMflex. The CEMflex is activated through the alkali of the concrete, and the crystals will grow in the direction where the water is coming from. Now, when you compare the two different systems, PVC water stops are, as I said, difficult to install. You need skilled labor to install that. PVC water stops are normally fairly flexible, and the problem is you have to keep it exactly in position during the concrete pour. As it is soft, you have to be very careful so it doesn't bend. The next problem, as I said beforehand, it needs to be welded. If you weld it, of course, you need to heat up both sides, and normally you would need a form to keep it in position when pushing the two PVC units together. The third problem, of course, is with the PVC is concrete doesn't bond to PVC. That means, point 1, if you have concrete splashes on the PVC, these concrete splashes have to be removed. If it's always done, I don't know, but that can be a big issue. Concrete splashes, for example, on CEMflex are absolutely no problem at all. The crystals will still grow through the concrete splash. Now, when comparing it with the CEMflex, as I said beforehand, you will have your 3 centimeter concrete coverage, the CEMflex inside the concrete. You install it, for example, with an omega bar. You need a minimum overlap of 5 centimeters. You clip the omega bar over that and then attach the omega bar to your reinforcement, and then you can pour the concrete. The omega bar is set every 1 meter, and that keeps it in position. Alternatively, what you can also do is you can install CEMflex in the fresh concrete. And what you would do is you would pour your concrete, vibrate it, and as long as the concrete is absolutely fresh, you can push the CEMflex into the fresh concrete, into position as you need it, and all you need to do at the overlaps, you clip it together. And in the box, when you get the CEMflex delivered to site, the clips are always in the box as well. So, if you need any more information about our products, please contact us. And if you need somebody to come along and help you with any information, and maybe on site as well, please contact us as well. We'd be pleased to help you.